Manchester Ship Canal Class Tank Engine 2004. Oh my god, he's such a good user. The reason why is because he's a Thomas fan like me. And I think he posts some lovely videos. Especially the ones that Mattel play Liverpool, even Thomas Land. And I love him very much. I also like his brother E2 Class Fan 2004. They're both really good users who sub to me on YouTube. And they've both been to Thomas Land a few times, just like me. They're also one of the two of the best users ever. If you like them, then so do I. Anyways, my salute is over. Coming up next will be MK2 Dan.